Ethernet wall jacks provide reliable wired network connections, reduce clutter, improve internet speed, and ensure stable connectivity throughout homes or offices. My today's video is about top 5 best Ethernet wall jack that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at I will link Ethernet wall jack. The Ethernet wall plate with Cat6 RJ45 keystone jack insert is an essential solution for creating a clean, professional-looking network installation in homes or offices. Its sleek white faceplate seamlessly blends with any decor while providing a flush, secure fit to the wall. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, with standard sizing and included wall plate screws, allowing even DIY enthusiasts to set up reliable wired connections without hassle. The keystone insert design offers flexibility, supporting Cat5, Cat5e, and Cat6 Ethernet cables, making it versatile for a wide range of networking needs. It allows Ethernet or LAN cables to run neatly from one end to another, keeping wiring organized and minimizing clutter. Ideal for multiple renovation projects, these wall plates provide sufficient outlets for expanding network setups. Combining durability, compatibility, and aesthetic appeal, this Ethernet wall plate ensures fast, stable connections while maintaining a tidy, professional appearance, an essential component for modern networking infrastructure. Now our second product is to Modern Ethernet wall jack. This network wall plate kit offers a versatile and professional solution for organizing and extending Ethernet connections in homes, offices, hotels, laboratories, or retail environments. Its plug-and-play design allows quick one-to-one network connections, with multiple panels easily interlinked to extend cables for longer runs. Installation is straightforward. Simply plug one cable into the front and one into the back of the RJ45 keystone jack, which features a snap-in retaining clip to ensure secure, corrosion-resistant connections. Compatible with Cat6, Cat5, and Cat5e cables, it provides broad networking versatility. Constructed from durable ABS flame-retardant material with gold-plated contacts, the removable keystone jack supports future upgrades or replacements. The included 1-gang low-voltage mounting brackets allow flush, horizontal, or vertical installation, adjustable for wall thicknesses from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, making it compatible with drywall, gypsum board, or paneling. The package includes 5 keystone jacks, wall plates, and brackets, along with mounting screws and reliable customer service. A complete, high-quality solution for clean, organized, and efficient network setups. Our third product is VC Ethernet wall jack. The VC Ethernet wall outlet offers a reliable, high-performance solution for connecting 2 Ethernet cables, supporting Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5 networks with ease. Designed for both home and office setups, it ensures fast and stable data transfer, with gold-plated pure copper contacts that deliver gigabit speeds up to 1000 megabits per second without signal loss. UL listed and made from fire-retardant, impact-resistant materials, the wall plate combines safety and durability, giving users confidence in long-term use. Installation is straightforward, featuring a standard wall plate with an easy snap-in keystone insert, allowing for simple replacement or future upgrades. The package includes 2 1-port wall plates, 2 Cat6 keystone jacks in sleek white, and 4 screws, providing everything needed for immediate setup. With an 18-month warranty and responsive 24-hour customer service, the VC Ethernet wall outlet is a complete, high-quality solution for organized, efficient, and secure network connections, offering both performance and peace of mind. Now number 4, Rapink Ethernet wall jack. The slim Cat6 RJ45 keystone jack is a high-performance solution designed for modern networking needs, particularly in high-density environments like data centers and structured home networks. Its thin profile fits seamlessly into 24 or 48-port patch panels, faceplates, surface mounting boxes, and other RJ45 outlets, making it ideal for tight spaces. Supporting 23 to 26 AWG stranded or solid Ethernet cables, it delivers reliable, high-speed data transmission up to 10 G at 550 MHz, fully compatible with the TIA 568.2D standard. Golden-plated contacts ensure minimal signal loss and maximum durability. Installation is straightforward, with color-coded T568A and T568B labels, and it can be crimped using standard 110-wire tools or specialized keystone tools for efficient one-time crimping. Its universal fit allows easy snapping in and out of patch panels, wall plates, or surface boxes, while the availability of multiple colors enhances network organization and segmentation. Compact, robust, and versatile, this Cat6 Keystone Jack provides a reliable, space-saving solution for both professional and home networking applications, and our last choice is RJ45 Ethernet Wall Jack. The RJ45 Cat6 RJ45 Keystone Jack delivers professional-grade connectivity and reliability for modern Ethernet networks. Engineered for solid Cat6 23 AWG cables, it supports 24 to 26 AWG round or flat stranded wires up to 6.1 mm outer diameter, ensuring high-speed performance for both standard and Power over Ethernet applications. Installation is remarkably effortless thanks to the toolless design. Simply align wires with the clearly color-coded labels and secure them under the snap-down cover, making termination precise and time-efficient, especially when working with one or two wires at a time. Certified to ANSI/TIA/EIA 568C.2 standards, it guarantees Category 6 compliance for stable, reliable network speed. Durability is prioritized through gold-plated connectors and solid copper conductors, resisting corrosion and maintaining long-term signal integrity, while the integrated dust-proof shutter further protects the connection. Its universal fit accommodates a variety of surface mount boxes and wall plates, allowing multiple keystones on a single plate. Compact, robust, and user-friendly, the RJ45 Cat6 Keystone Jack is ideal for home and office network installations seeking dependable, high-speed connectivity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.